What's up guys, welcome back to the Subaru channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and install the overlays on the STi Wing. We got the matte black overlays that is gonna go ahead and contrast with the metallic black lettering. Let's get to work. So there you have it guys, another quick video of do-it-yourself modifications and installations with some vinyl work. These little modifications here can add detail to your car, you personalize your car, and to me, that's my style. Till next time guys, check into your Subaru channel for more videos.